So good morning people, welcome to another day, another vlog, another video. So good morning people, how are we doing this morning? Welcome to another day. Let's not let this go. Welcome to another day guys, and this morning I'm experimenting. You can't actually see the extra wire that's attached to the camera. I had one of those evenings trying to sort something out. I've got my battery eliminator back in. Yeah, as I said, I've got my battery eliminator and I'm not 100% sure that this is actually going to work. I've got no external batteries with me this morning, so it's all died basically. So if all of a sudden this cuts out, then I do apologise. But yeah, battery eliminator is in the camera. External power pack is plugged into the camera. But I had a few little issues yesterday. The memory card that I was using, I have no idea how the fuck I did it, but whilst trying to fuck around with this one, with the battery eliminator thing, I had to cut a hole in the back of the case and blah 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 and all of that, which I did okay, put everything back together, and the memory card snapped. It literally snapped in half. So I don't think it's usable now. I think it's gone. I've got a car right up my arse. Should I say van, not car. So yeah, basically a bit pissed off about that, so I'm experimenting with the eliminator, because I don't know why, but for some reason the battery keeps failing in this camera, and that one, as it was up my arse. So yeah, basically not in the happiest of moods about that. So I've lost the 64GB card, and yeah, we'll see how this goes on. Hopefully I'm still recording. Yeah, I think I am. I don't know. I can't see. I need a fucking light or something on fucking hell. Fucking traffic. Right, anyway guys, I'm gonna see you later. Take it easy, and see you after work. Ah, dearie me. I don't know what's going on now. Fucking camera's now just stopped. Fucking lovely rain. It's absolutely fucking pissing it down, and it doesn't bother me at the moment either. Oh dear. I'm not bothered. It's fucking raining. Hey. It just breaks some of this fucking heat out a little bit. It just got really too hot. I don't mind a little bit of rain every now and again. It's actually quite nice. Clear some of the shit off the bike as well. And off me, and off the roads. It's so nice to see a bit of water. You know, I don't normally say that because I hate the rain and the rain. And the bike cuts out again. Naughty bike. Right, anyway guys, I'm going to leave the vlog there. Thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to me. Don't forget to leave a comment, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to check out the Etsy store, all the cards in the top corner. And I will catch you awesome beings in the next video. Take it easy, have fun, and I will see you later. Take it easy, guys. Bye.